Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. My name is Pawan Singh Rana. Today we are conducting the webinar on Busy for mobile industry. How can we implement Busy software in mobile industry, whether you are a distributor or a retailer? What are the industry appropriate features that you can enable in Busy software to implement? So first we will understand the topic. How can we implement Busy in mobile industry with the help of PPT? After that, we will see the practical implementation in the software. So please watch the webinar carefully. And if you have any doubts and queries, you can ask me at end of the session. I will resolve your all the queries at end of the session. Now I am starting the webinar. So friends, first of all, Busy Business Accounting Software is a GST ready billing inventory accounting software that help you to generate tax invoice easily. We can manage the mobile industry with most powerful inventory accounting and GST features. In Busy Accounting software, we get many reports from which we can analyze the data. So in Busy Business Accounting software, you can manage your taxation, you can manage your accounting and inventory or other activities also of your business. Graphics are very simple. Busy software is easy to use with the powerful configuration. You can easily implement Busy software in mobile industry, whether you are a manufacturer, whether you are a retailer or distributor. So you can easily implement Busy software in the mobile industry. You can record your transaction and view your reports. Busy is a GST ready billing software. So you can view your GST reports, generate your GST return very easily directly from the software. And you can generate e-invoice, e-way bill directly from the software. No need to go on web portal. So Busy is very user-friendly software you can use very easily. The next is, what are the benefits do you get if you are configure Busy software in the mobile industry? So number one is IMI number wise stock management. So as you know that if you want to manage your data in mobile industry, then you need to track stock by IMI's number for the mobile phones. Because in mobile industry, each quantity has a unique number identity, you know that, which we call IMI number. In Busy software, you can manage serial number by stock in mobile and accessories. So this feature you can use, this benefit you get. And the next benefit is warranty tracking. So as you know that in mobile industry, you need to track the warranty of the product. At Busy software, we have this feature to track the item serial number wise warranty, in which we can view the reports also. So you can check, you can manage your warranty tracking with the Busy software. Next benefit is replacement management. So in Busy software, you can record your transaction of replacement of a product, and you can view the reports also. The next benefit, inventory accounting and billing. So as you know that in Busy software, you can easily manage your inventory accounting and billing part. Only you need to record the data, and multiple reports are available in the software. So you can view the reports like stock summary, stock details report, accounting register, accounting reports, financial statements. So multiple reports are available in the Busy software. You can view report as per your need. And we have two invoice format options also, at standard and advanced. We can design the invoice format as per customer need also. These features are available in this Busy software. The next benefit is sales and procurement. So in Busy software, you can record the transaction very easily. We have two type of vouchers to record sales transaction, standard and point of sale. So in a standard voucher, you have to enter all the details one by one, but in point of sale voucher, you can fix the fields before the transaction, and only you have to enter the variable fields, and transaction will save very fastly in the point of sales voucher. So this feature you can use, this benefit you get. Decision making, next point is decision making. So after entering the correct data in the software, you can view the reports and prepare your right strategy for the business. It is very helpful in decision making. The next benefit is customer services. So after entering the correct data, you can provide better services to the customer. You can apply the scheme also to increase your sales. And the last benefit you get compliance and regulation. So if you are using busy software, then you will be tension free from the compliance and regulation, because as busy software has all the compliance reports and summaries available in a very easy way. Returns, e-way bill, invoice, you can generate directly from the software, no need to go on web portal, government portal. So this compliance and regulation you can manage in busy software in very easy way. Let us move to the next slide. So features. So what features can you configure in busy software for mobile industry? So number one is serial number wise stock management. This feature is very useful for this type of industry. To implement busy in mobile industry, you can use serial number wise stock feature. And because with the help of this feature, you can manage your IMI number wise stock, and you can manage the warranty period also. You can track the IMI number wise description also, like color of the product. The next feature you can use. So as you know that no matter which software you are using to record transaction accurately, inventory mismatch will occur between the software books and the physically books, basically, because the item can be damaged, lost, etc. So in busy software, you get a voucher for the stock, physical stock verification. You can adjust your stock. You can enter the quantity of the item physically available in the material center and match your stock with the busy books. Next feature you can use is barcode printing. In busy software, you can design your barcode label. You can directly print the barcode label from the software. It is free, no need to pay extra charges for printing barcode labels. You can print your own design. You can print your own barcode label and stick it on the product packet. Scan the barcode from the label and create your invoice. So this feature you can use barcode printing. The next feature is replacement. To manage the replacement of the product, you can enable the feature sale return in sales voucher. This feature you have to enable. With this, with the help of this feature, you can receive the return product in a sales voucher and issue a new product as a replacement. You can create another material center for damaged product and use stock transfer voucher to transfer product to the damaged material center. After the transaction, you can view the damaged item of the report. So this feature you can use for the replacement. The next point is warning alarm. So this is very helpful feature. You can configure the warning alarm according to your conditions. You can stop the mistakes of recording transaction. As your stock is going negative, a warning will appear when this situation occur. If suppose if you are using this feature warning alarm, so warning will appear when the situation will be occur. The next point is next feature you can use. So voucher approval system. This feature you can use. You can configure the approval system in the software. Like without your approval, master and transaction should not be create and print. So if you configure this feature voucher approval system, so your sub user cannot create the transaction, cannot post the transaction, and cannot print the transaction. So this feature you can use for the approval. User right level. So busy software has two type of user, you know that, super user and sub user. So super user means the admin of the company who has all the rights. The super user can create sub user and he can provide rights according to user roles. Point of sales. Next feature you can use. So you can configure the point of sale in the voucher series. With the help of point of sale, you can save the sales transaction in very fast way. We can fix the static fields and in the point of sale configuration like date and sales type, etc. So then cursor will not move on the fixed field. Only you have to specify the details in verify fields like item details, your amount, your payment details. So because these fields are variable in every transaction, so you can configure as variable, and you can fix the field like voucher date, you can fix before the transaction. So this configuration you can do. Next is event notification. So this feature is very useful. You can configure the event notification feature, and after the configuration, you can receive the notification on your smartphone through BNS app. And your user is recording what transaction, master and other activity, you will receive the notification on your smartphone on busy BNS app. You can see. The next is notification. So from the busy software, you can send notification directly to party, to self, through SMS, through email, through WhatsApp, and through BNS also. So email, BNS, WhatsApp are free of charge, but the SMS is chargeable. So if you want to send SMS directly from the software, then you have to purchase API from the internet service provider. After the configuration of API, you can send SMS directly from the software to party to self also. And email, SMS, email, WhatsApp, and BNS. This is free of charge. You can send directly to party to self also. FOC basis, basically. Next is implementation. So first of all, you have to create a company with the correct details. Next is configuration. So you have to enable some required options to implement for mobile industry. After the configuration, you can create master like items of your parties, also your expenses of your shop, of your business. And after the creation master, after creation the master, you can create the transaction like purchase, like sales, payment, receipt, all the vouchers you can post. And you can print the sales invoice in standard and advanced format. And last is reporting. So after the transaction, you can view the report as per your needs. So this is the configuration image you can see on my screen. This is the inventory tab. So for mobile industry, you have to enable some required feature like multi-go down inventory, sale written in sale voucher. And this feature is very useful, serial number wise detail. So you have to enable this feature. After enabling, the configuration window appears, you can see. And you have to enable some required option, like suppose if you want to manage the warranties, so you can enable the second option, maintain item number wise warranty also. And if you want to enable description, so you can enable the third option, sale price, MRP. So and images also. So options are available in the configuration, and you can enable as per your requirement. The next is master image. So if at the time of item creation, you have to enable serial number wise detail. This feature you have to enable in the item master also. Then you can record the data of serial number wise reporting. And this is the images for, these are the images for transaction inwards and outward. You can see on my screen. So first image is for purchase. So at the time of purchase, you have to record the transaction. You have to record the data for serial number. After entering the quantity in front of item, this window appears for serial number wise detail, and you have to enter the details of your IMI numbers and your color also, your description also. Next image for sales. So at the time of sales, you can adjust, you can select your serial number for sale. And this is the image for invoice printing in standard format. So after the transaction, you can print the sales invoice in standard format, and you can print the other serial number detail also in the item master, with the item master. Next is invoice print is in advanced format. So in the advanced format, we can design every type of invoice as per customer requirement. We can design the format. We can insert the images also, you can see on my screen. After the transaction, you can view the reports. So reports are available, multiple reports are available in the software. You can see, you can view the first report is serial number wise reports. So in the serial number wise report, you can view multiple reports like serial number wise stock, warranty details reports. So multiple reports are available under serial number wise report. Next is MIS reports you can view. So under MIS reports, you can view cash flow statement, fund flow statement, ratio analysis statement, and profitability report. Sales analysis you can view, and you can view sales analysis report with graphs also. Inventory summary and inventory books you can view. If you want to see your inventory reports in detail, you can view these reports. Stock summary you can view. If you want to see your stock in your godowns, in your material center, you can see stock summary reports. Accounts books are available. So you can view account books as sales, as account ledger. Multiple reports are available for account books and account register. Final result you can view like balance sheet and your profit and loss report, your trading account report, Trial balance you can view. And the last report is GST reports and e-returns. So we have multiple reports under GST part, and you can view like GST summary, sale type wise summary, item wise summary. Multiple reports are available in Busy software. You can view for GST reporting. Let us see the practical demo. So how can we implement Busy accounting software in mobile industry? So let me show you the practical demo. First of all, we will open the software from the desktop screen. Now software is open and my company is already created. If you want to create a new company, you can click on create company, enter all the details, enter all the correct details and create your company. So my company is already created. Let me open. So this is my company for Busy mobile shop, and we can manage the data in this company. So first of all, this is my company detail. You can see on my screen. I'm the retailer. And next, after creation of company, you have to enable some required options. So for required feature also. So for features, you have to go in configuration, enter on feature options and enter on inventory tabs. So after entering inventory, this window appears, you can see on my screen, and you have to enable some required options like multiple go downs and allow sale return in sale voucher. This option you can enable, and serial number wise reporting. Okay, serial number wise detail. This option you have to enable. After enabling, configure button appear. You can click on this option. Now see, this is a configuration window of item serial number wise detail. So you can enable the required options like the second option is maintain item serial number warranty. So if you want to track the warranty details of the item for serial number wise, so you can enable this option. Next is maintain item serial number with description also. So we enabled this feature, you can see, and number of description you can enter. So maximum 10 description you can maintain. So we enabled only one, and color. Okay. After that, maintain item serial number wise image. We can enable this option. Maintain serial number wise installation detail. If you want to maintain item serial number wise installation detail, so you can enable this option. So multiple options are available. You can enable these options as per your requirement. Can save and save the settings. So after the configuration, you can create item master. So let me show you the list of item master. So see, these are my items. So 2 items in accessories groups, and iPhones. We have 2 items in iPhone groups, 2 items in Oppo smartphone, and 4 items in Samsung smartphone. So let me open the item master. So in the item master window, you can create the item. See, first of all, you have to enter the name of item, enter the model number. Okay. And specify your groups. You can select your groups, specify the units, GST details, enter your sales price, purchase price, MRP, and other details. Also, you can specify the details of descriptions. And this option you have to enable. If you want to manage the serial number wise, IMA number wise reporting, you have to enable serial number wise detail option. So this option you have to enable. Save the item master. Let me show you another item. So this is the item of Samsung Galaxy A14 5G, and model number is SMA146B. This is the model number. Print name. So you can enter all the details like this and enable serial number wise stock details. This option you have to enable for IMI number tracking. So you can create item master like this. After the item creation, you can create account master. Suppose my company is Samsung and purchasing the Samsung mobile from Samsung party. So we have to create party master as sundry creditor, because I have to purchase the product from this party. So we can select sundry creditor, address, and other details. You can see You can specify all the details and save the party master. And in the busy accounting software, we have one options. So if you know the GST number of the party, you can press F4 shortcut key. And after pressing F4 key, this window appears for validate GST in online. So you can enter the party GST number here. And like, let me search the GST number of any party on Google. See. So let me copy and paste. Now see. Wait. Let me open software again. And if you know the party's GST number, you can press F4 shortcut key and press GST number, click on validate GST. Now see, all the details will show you. You can click on update back and quit. Now all the details will pick automatically from the validation window. So you can create the party master if you know the GST number of the party. So party master and item master you can create, and material center you can create. So by default, one material center already created, and you can create for damaged product. Okay. So after the master and after the party master, after the item master, you can record the transaction. So first of all, we can record the purchase transaction, and at the time of purchase, see, this is a purchase voucher. Bill number you can specify. Purchase type you have to select. Party, your material center, and select your item here. So suppose let me purchase Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. So after entering the quantity, let me purchase 5 quantity. So after entering the quantity, this window appears for input serial number by the stock detail. See, so you have to enter all 5 quantity serial number here, like 0001, 0003. So all the IMEI numbers you have to enter, and you can specify the colors also. So after entering all the details, you can apply the text and create your purchase voucher. Let me show another voucher. See, this is the purchase voucher, and see, after entering the quantity for IMEI number, we have to specify because we enter 4 quantity in the quantity column, you can see, and color you can mention here, and okay, and save the transaction. After that, you can see the stock reports serial number wise. So all the reports, serial number wise reports are available in the display. You can go in serial number wise report, enter on this option, and see 4 reports are available for item serial number wise stock. So let me open first report. So if you want to check how many stocks are available item serial number wise, you can see. So this is the report. See, so in Samsung Galaxy M4 item, we have total 5 stock, and the serial number is this. See, because we purchased 5 serial number items. And you can filter on the reports as group wise, as one item also. Next is item serial number wise warranty history. So in this report, you can track the warranty of the goods. Aging report, you can see on account serial number. So 4 reports are available. You can view the reports, and after the purchase, you can create the sales voucher. So let me show you. So for sales voucher, you can configure point of sale configuration if you want to create sales voucher very fastly. So for point of sale configuration, you have to go in configuration, voucher series configuration, sales, select your series, click on voucher configuration, and enable this option. enable advanced point of sale data entry. This option you have to enable and click on configure advanced point of sale option. So after clicking on this option, this window appears for point of sale configuration, and you have to select the field as semi-variable, variable, or fixed. So see, the first field is date. So you can select the field type, fixed, variable, and semi-variable. As system date or voucher date, you can select. So if you select fixed, then cursor will not move in this field at the time of transaction, and you cannot change also. If you select semi-variable, then cursor will not move on this field, but you can change the field. And next is variable. So if you select variable field type, then cursor will move on this particular field and you can change the field. So if you select semi-variable, then cursor will not move on this specific field, but you can change manually. Next, all the fields you can select, like parties, material center, and pick item name from barcode. So suppose if you want to scan the barcode label, if you want to pick the item from the barcode label scanning, so you can enable this option, pick item name from barcode, and priority you can select here. So first priority is serial number, second priority is item. Next option, consolidate item while saving. So suppose your item is repeating in the transaction, so item will consolidate if you enable this option. Show item alias HSN code. So if you want to see the column of item alias and HSN, you can select the options. Show item MRP, you can enable, and other fields also. After that, suppose if you want to specify the additional amount in bill sundry, you can enable bill sundry details, and specify settlement option. This option you can enable if you want to maintain the payment mode of the customer. See, so after enabling, this window appears for voucher settlement configuration, and you can configure 5 type of mode, like cash. You are receiving money from the customer in cash, in card, in UPI, in e-wallet, and through check. So you can configure your settlement mode like this. Save the configuration and save all the configuration like this. And this option you can enable separate billing shipping detail, because if you are a mobile retailer, then you will sell your item to direct consumer. So you can record your customer details, okay, at the time of transaction. So you can enable this option, separate billing detail option. So after the configuration, after the point of sale configuration, you can record your sales transaction in very fast way. So this is the sales voucher. See, so this is the graphics window, a graphic image of point of sale. See, so cursor directly on the party. So after entering the party, this window appears for billing details, and you can specify the mobile number of the customer. Suppose my customer mobile number is 789-789-90 and 90. This is my customer mobile number. And what is the name of customer? So customer name is like Rahul Singh. Address you can specify A32 phase 1 New Delhi. PIN number you can specify here. State, email ID you can specify, Aadhaar number. So you can record the data, you can record the detail of customer. Click on OK. So after the details of customer, you can select your product for sale. So because we enabled barcode scanning option, that's why drop down list is not showing. Okay, so we can scan the product, we can scan the barcode label. Suppose my sale number is IP 120000 7. See, so this is the barcode number we can scan, and from the barcode label, item will pick automatically. You can see item details will pick automatically. And if you want to select item manually, you can enter on this and this window appear. You can click on show list. Yes. Now see all the lists are showing in the drop down list, and you can select the item. And after selecting the item, you have to select the serial number, the IMI number. So you are selling which IMI number product, you can select. See, click on OK and save the transaction. Now see, at the time of saving, this window appears for payment settlement mode. So your customer giving money in which mode? In cash, in through card. So you can select the mode and click on OK. Now your transaction is completed. Click on yes, and you can print your sales invoice in standard format. See, so item serial number details are also coming. You can see under the item. And if you want to print the invoice in advanced format, so this is the advanced format of sales invoice, you can see on the screen. We can design the sales invoice according to customer requirement. See, so this is the advanced format of sales invoice. And we can design on A5 page and slip format. So every type of invoice we can design on chargeable basis as per customer need. So after the selling, you can see the reports, and we sold, see, the serial number is IP1200007. This is the serial number of item which we sell to customer. Now, suppose you want to check the warranty of the product. Okay, so we can see the report item serial number wise history. This report we can see. We have to enter the serial number here. IP1200007. I think we entered wrong serial number. Yeah, see. So on which date? Like 1st of November. Description we can enable, serial number details we can enable, all the details we can enable. Now see. So this item is under warranty. We can check here. So in the last column, yes, this item is under warranty. You can see, and the warranty date is 30 April 2023, the last date of warranty. So warranty details we can track of the serial number. We can check item number aging report also. See, and on account report also. And if you want to sell the accessories item, so you can sell the accessory item also. Suppose I'm selling bought rockers. See the details showing in this window. Adjust item serial number is ready. We can select the serial number and we can complete the bill. See, so we can create the sales invoice like this. We can record the sales voucher like this. These are the process. Next, if you want to design the barcode label, so you have to go in add-on, click on configure barcode label and click on add format. Enter the name of format. After entering, you have to click on configure format. Now see this windows appear. You have to select barcode type like serial number item only. You can select as per your need, and other details you have to specify. Cut sheet continuous roll and number of label in the raw, number of rows in a page, top margin, left margin. We can enter label height, label width. We can specify and click on configure label, and we can configure the label like this. Now see, company name, we can select the field and select type is data field, barcode, QR code, image, plain text, and data field. So we can select the value. Caption we can enter, and other alignment detail we can specify. Click on OK. Your barcode is ready, and you have to go in purchase voucher series configuration. This option you have to enable. Print item barcode after saving. So after enabling this option, when you save the purchase voucher, the prompt will show you print item barcode. You can click on yes, and you can print the barcode label like this, and you can paste it on the boxes of the item. See, these are the barcode labels. We can print barcode label directly from the busy software. You can design as per your need. As per your design, you can configure the barcode label. Next, replacement. So if you want to track the replacement, so first of all, you have to create material center master for damaged item. Okay, for replacement. So you have to create material center master like this. After that, you have to enable from the inventor, you have to enable this option, allow sale return in sale voucher. This option you have to enable. And see, so suppose your product is returned. So how can you track the sales in transaction sales voucher and with exchange of another item? So you can create sales invoice. So suppose your customer detail, let me check. So the last invoice is, let me check. So the last invoice, last customer detail is this. So suppose if customer is coming back to our shop and for replacement of the item, so we can check the item serial number history first. So see, this item is under warranty, we can replace. Okay, so serial number is IP 12000007. Create a sales voucher again. So 789 This is the customer details. Automatically pick from the mobile number. Select your item. Enter the return product -1. So you have to enter minus sign before the quantity. See, so in this window, you have to specify the return product serial number details. So the return product serial number details is IP 120007. Okay, white. And after that, we can issue the another product. So we can select another serial number of this particular item. Now see, the total amount is 0. Okay, so we can save the voucher, and after the replacement transaction, we can transfer the stock in damage material center. Is 7. So we have to create stock transfer voucher in that case. And if you want to check the damaged item reports, so you can configure the columnar report for status. So you have to go in configuration and click on columnar report, stock status, and you can select your all MCs here. After that, you can go in display, stock status, see columnar report. Now see 2 items in damaged as damaged product. You can filter on godowns also. Like balance only in 1 MC. If you want to check only damaged product, you can see. See 2 items under damaged. Voucher approval system. If you want to configure the voucher approval system, you can. This feature is available in enterprise edition only. So you have to go in feature and options, enterprise feature, and voucher master approval. This feature you can enable and click on configure button, and you can configure the configuration like on sales voucher and purchase voucher. You can select the voucher type, voucher series you can specify here, you can select, and who can approve. So only admin can approve, and without approval the printing is allowed or not, posting is allowed or not. So this configuration you can do if you want to configure the approval system. Next, you can create multiple users. So see, so we have 3 users. One is admin is super user, and Sonu Mono is sub user. So see, so at the time of creation of mono user, you can specify the username, password, and you can provide the rights like modification rights. You can you want to provide, you can enable, you can specify why, allow price changing, allow discount changing, markup changing. You can specify why for enabling and for disabling, and you can select the voucher. So only purchase transaction and purchase return payment receipt and general, these selected voucher we can, yeah, Monu can enter the transaction in this selected voucher only. And next is Sonu. So you can check only sales transaction can enter from the Sonu user, and you can see the reports in checklist. In the display audit trial report, so you can see the user tracking information in this report. So we have multiple reports under display. We can view the reports. Like, let me check the profitability report. So we have to go in MIS reports and profitability report. So we have multiple reports under profitability report. You can see bill wise profitability, party wise profitability, MIS, serial number wise, you can see. So see, all the informations are coming, and you can check the gross profit here, serial number wise. You can check item wise profitability report. So gross profit is 59,012 rupees. You can see on my screen. This is the item wise profitability report. You can view bill wise profitability report. See, so all the reports are available. You can see the report as per your requirement. Cash flow, fund flow statement. You can check sales analysis reports, item group wise, item wise. See, and you can check with graphs also. See, so total sale in April of accessories 6 quantity, iPhone is 3 quantity in April, 1 is May, and Oppo smartphone 2 quantity sold in May month. Samsung, you can see 1 quantity only sold in April. So these report you can see for sales analysis, and GST reports are available. So you can check GST summary for input and output GST adjustment. All the information are showing. If you want to file the GST return, so you can go in GST return and see this option. You have to select, you have to click on GSTR1 if you want to file the GSTR1 return directly from the software. So you can go in GST report, GSTR1 e-return, and click on OK. And now see, this window appears, and you can select direct upload JSON format CSV file. So you can, we have multiple options for filing GST returns. You can select the options. Item serial number wise stock report, you can see. So we can check item serial number wise reports. So how many serial number wise stocks are available in which item, you can check here. account summary and account register, you can see. So you have to go in display and now see accounts books, account summary, all the reports are available, and settlement detail you can see. So total payment collected, how many in cash, how many in card, how many through UPI, e-wallet, checks, you can see. Physical stock verification. So this is the voucher. If you want to adjust the stock with the physical stock, so you can click on physical stock voucher, click on add and see voucher number, date, you can specify here, material center, you have to select here, and input sub details, serial number wise, you can click this option. And if you want to scan, you can click on scan option, click on down arrow, load your items, select your all the items, and you can check this physically stock physically basically. So this is the book stop, you can see is 45 quantity are available as per busy books, but physically how many stocks are available you can specify. Suppose 42 stocks are available only, so you have to enter, you have to select the serial number, which serial numbers are not available. So automatically a serial number stock will consume in stock general voucher. So through this voucher you can adjust your stock. So these are the features you can use in mobile industry and you can implement your company in busy software. Now, if you have any queries, you can ask me. Thank you.